Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at something called CoinW. Now, I'm going to focus on the trading aspect of this, and in particular, longs and short leverage trading. Now, you know my feelings on leverage trading. It is for experienced traders only. If you're new to this game, leverage trading, futures is not for you. There's a steep learning curve you need to go through before you go anywhere near leveraging. And even at that, when you're leveraging, be sensible. Leverage trading shouldn't be any more 3, 4, 5 maximum. Okay? I see other YouTubers promoting leverage trading with platforms, and they never tell you about the risks, and they never tell you that it is for experienced traders. And, you know, anything over 5x is playing with fire. You know, many platforms offer 50x, 100x leverage, and it's insanity. But that's a different conversation. Like I said, we're looking at CoinW. Now, this is a review that I've been meaning to do for several weeks now. Just got around to it. And the funny thing about CoinW is I was unaware of them. And the reason why that's funny is because these guys are massive. And I mean massive. Let's shoot over to CoinMarketCap, right? Now, first off, you'll see here, 24-hour volume is over $1 billion, right? That was one of the things that caught my attention straight off the bat. And they've been around since 2017, July 2017 to be exact. They claim to have over 5 million users and over 300 plus pairings. Now, that's insane. And they are one of the top cryptocurrency exchanges around. And I didn't know about them. So very, very odd. I only found them because Satoshi Sean spoke about them, and he did a more in-depth review. Today I'm looking more at the trading side of things. So first thing you need to do is open up an account. I've already opened an account. If you want to open an account, my referral link is in the description. You don't have to use it, but if you do, it goes towards helping channel expenses. And if you want to invite your friends, very, very easy also. Just scroll over to your profile and hit invite friends, and you'll see your custom invitation link here. Right, so that's over the self-promoting pitch. Once you have that, you go into your balances. Very easy to deposit. Click on deposit. As you can see, I've already put in 150 USDT because we're going to be trading USDT ETH today. Now, there's several options here for making a deposit. You can send it from a current wallet that you own, or you can buy here with a hyperpay, free transaction fees. So no fees there. Also, I forgot to mention that when you sign up for CoinW, no KYC. So the next stage is moving your money into the actual trading platform. And for that, you need, because this is the asset account, and we need to move it into the swap account. So click on swap. As you can see here, USDT is already in here. We need to just transfer across from our asset account to our swap account. And we're going to put them all in there. Transfer now. Done. So now the next thing is we head over to our futures page. And thank God it's dark. And as you can see, Bitcoin having broke 50,000 today. A lot more to come there, I think. Across here you'll see some of the more popular different pairings. And on the right hand side down here is your panel for putting your trades on. Now, one of the first things you'll notice here before you put your trade on is this little button here is isolated and cross. And so I need to explain this because I see people asking about this all the time. There is a difference between the two. Isolated margin means the margin placed into a position that is isolated from the trader's account balance. Okay? So that essentially means the maximum amount you can lose from a liquidation is the amount in the current open position. That protects the funds you have that are not in a open trade. Now, on the cross margin mode, it uses all of your funds available. And let's say you have 100 in a trade and you have another 200 sitting aside that's not in any open trades. What will happen is if the price starts to go against you, or the trade starts to go against you, the platform will start to take money from the 200. It will try to keep the position open by utilizing funds that are not already tied up in a trade. Now, that's excellent if you think the trade is going to turn around. But the problem is, if you get liquidated on a cross margin trade, your whole bankroll is gone. So that's essentially the difference between both those. Now over here you have your different types of orders, your market order, your limit order, and your trigger order. So a limit order is essentially putting a price in that you want to trigger at a certain point. So you pick the price that the trade executes. Whereas if you're happy with the current price or you just want to get the trade on, market order is for you. Your order is essentially filled immediately, whatever price is in the order book. And a trigger order is a little bit like the limit order, where you dictate what triggers will execute the order. And that can have a multiple range of things. So, for example, the size of the order, the price, etc. Now you'll have open long and open short. Open long is when you're hoping for the price to go up, and open short is when you're hoping for the price to go down. And so this is the beauty about cryptocurrency and why it attracts a lot of people to the trading side of things, because you have the option to trade both ways. Now, CoinW will have a very, very nifty little tool that I will show you later that does encompass trading on both sides of a position. Up here, you will have your leverage. And as I said, look, it ranges from 1 all the way up to 100. I've said on multiple occasions, and I've said at the beginning of this video, we don't want to be doing any more than 5 leverage. Now, because Bitcoin is broke 50, maybe we should go and trade ETH USDT. Little pullback here. Look, this trade is for educational purposes only, okay? And we're only going to put a tiny little short on today, okay? And we're going to do a limit order. And we're going to pick, let's say 3,450. And we're putting on USDT. Okay. And we're going to put 20% of our bankroll into this. Click on sell. And you'll see our position has opened up here. And now you'll notice that once these positions open up here, you see different, more options will appear. You got liquidation and more. Liquidation is essentially bang, close the trade. It would instantly close the trade for you. Now, you don't have to put your stop limit on this when you're opening the trade. You can do it after your trade is open. Go to open orders here. You can edit your take profit prices here. So, for example, if you're happy to be up, let's say 10%, you would put that in there. And you'll notice here, this is the most important factor here. Our liquidation price is 4,132. So if ETH goes to 4,132, we're fucked. We're getting liquidated. And we're going to lose the whole position. Absolutely critical to understand that. You can lose everything on one trade. You can also set your stop loss here. meaning if the trade is going against you, you can set your get out price here. You can also take your take profit price here, your stop loss price here, and this is your floating profit and loss. Down here, you'll also see the opening price, the margin used, and the leverage used. Now, there are several unique features with CoinW. One of them that I really like is a reverse opening function. And so that allows you to instantly turn your trade around. And you see it here when you click on more, reverse opening. Are you sure you want to open a reverse position? Now, as I said, this is quite unique. I can't remember seeing it anywhere else. It might exist in other places. And that is, like I said, it essentially reverses your trade. And so let's say you have a trade on, the price is going against you, or you're in profit and you think it has reached its peak. You can just click on reverse opening and boom, it will absolutely turn the trade around, meaning that both trades, the opening and the closing, are executed simultaneously, so no slippage there at all. Now, another very unique feature to CoinW is having long and short positions open at the same time, so essentially hedging your bets. And let me just go through that again. We're going to put a long on now. You see, we're waiting for this to be filled. And if it doesn't fill at the price you want, you can always press the cancel button, confirm. So let's get over here to positions again. Let's open up a long at 3457. Once again, 5x leverage. And we're going to put in 30 USDT, right? Click on buy long. We may have actually missed the boat on that one. And so this is unique to CoinW, the fact that you can have two different positions open at the exact same time. And you can do this with multiple currencies. You can see both our positions are now open. Now, one of the things I like on this is you have your stop limit box here. You just tick that. So that gives you the option to set a take profit or take loss amount before opening any position. It allows us to plan our positions, giving us more control over risk. And so you don't need to be on edge all the time, checking back and forth. You can already have those perimeters set. So listen, guys, that is CoinW, and that essentially is how you put on a leverage trade on CoinW. Cannot emphasize enough, leverage is not for everybody. But CoinW is one of these exchanges that surprised me when I came across it, and I have enjoyed using it. I've been testing this for a couple of weeks now. But a couple of things to remember here with CoinW, right? Huge 1 billion daily turnover, 5 million users. They have very strong connections to new and upcoming projects. They have a world of products. I touched on one, but they have lending. They've got their academy section. They've got an awful lot more going on there. A big team with good contacts in the industry. You can head over to their Telegram group. They have an English chat. I'll put the link in the description below. And I know that they're working on making transfers into the platform easier via credit and debit card. Some of the unique features on this platform got to be that reverse opening function. That is brilliant. I really like the fact that you can turn around your trade, bang, with the press of one button. It makes trading so much easier. There is an option to increase your trades. For example, if you're happy with your open position, you can add more to it. I really like the bi-directional multi-position contract mechanism, allowing you to essentially hedge your bets. And the fact you can set up your stop limits before opening the trade, a very useful feature also. So look, guys, that is CoinW. I'd love to know what you guys think of it. I was, like I said, shocked at how big it is without knowing about it when I came across it. Let me know in the comments box below what you think of CoinW. If you liked today's video, hit the like button. If you didn't, if I could go ahead and hit the dislike button. Remember to take part in our cryptocurrency giveaway 4 winners each week of $25 of the crypto of your choice. All you got to do is pop your wallet address in the comment section below, and we'll pick 4 random winners at the end of the week. So I hope you liked today's video. That about does it for me. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again soon.